I was just calling because I was thinking about you, and I miss you. You know I love you. Anyway, I'll see you in LA.
They say what's up, what's up, what's up? Yeah. They say what's up, what's up, what's up? Yeah. And I say, baby, what's your name again? What's your name again? It ain't my fault, I'm faded and you know niggas brought that Jameson. But anyway, what's up with you? That's cool, hey but look though, I'm going through it. Stressed out, I mean shit, I'm good though. But damn, what was you saying? Are you going back to school? Word. Me shit, I dropped out. Now I'm doing what I had to do. And my little bruh, he growing up and I'm missing out. And he tall as me and my big bruh, he grown up. Said he done rapping, so it's all on me. Yeah, said it's all on me. So I said bet it all on me. Till I can pop bottles all on me. What you saying this weekend? I mean personally, I'm probably just gon' stand and sleeping. Cause this city small, nothing new. Always the same old girls and my old girls and my new girls. And they home girls, they all home girls. So I'ma just stay home, girl. That shit I can't handle it. You know how bitches be. I mean not you, shit if I'm rambling, just stop me. My cup low, go ahead, top me. Yeah, that's good, hey, what was I saying? I think this Jameson got me. Look, I don't wanna sound sloppy. We just met, you barely know me. Girl, please, enough about me. Besides, you barely told me what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up. Long as my speakers bump that good shit in my cup, they say what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up. Long as my speakers bump that good shit in my cup, they say what's up, what's up, what's up. Tell me. They say what's up, what's up, what's up.